Ooh, sparkly. Yummy bubbles. Again, more fun. All right, time to cook. First, a pinch of salt. Now for the lemon.
Today, we will create something new and amazing that is going very viral these days. You can also make this type of video very easily in just 2 minutes by using this simple method. If you want to create a video like this, you can look at this channel. It has uploaded only 33 videos, but it already has 164,000 subscribers, and you can also see how many views the videos are getting. You can also create exactly the same type of videos in just 2 minutes. Open the snipping tool. Next, open the channel or video from which you want to take the image and save the image. Once the image is saved, we will move to the next step. First, open ChatGPT. Then upload the image here, the same image in the style you want to create your video. After uploading the image, simply write this prompt. I want to create an image exactly like this. Please help me make an image just like this. Please give me 6 image prompt in detailed. Then ChatGPT will create very good and amazing image prompts for you, exactly the way you want. In a very good way, it will create them for you, and the image prompts will be ready. Then you just need to save them. Now, to create AI videos, what we will do is open grok.com. This is a very good website where you can create AI videos daily for free, unlimited, and very easily. So what you need to do is click on video. Here, you can choose the size 9:16 or 16:9, whichever you want. Now here you can see that you need to copy the ChatGPT prompt and paste it. In just a short time, your video will be ready. You can see how good the video has been created. In this way, keep copying and pasting the prompts one by one, and the videos will keep getting ready. You can see that the video is ready and has been created in a very good way. This is how you can create videos here for free. If you liked the video, please like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also leave a comment. Thanks for watching.
All right, time to cook. First, a pinch of salt. Now for the lemon. Ooh, sparkly. Yummy bubbles. Again, more fun.